Hello. Today, we will show you how to add a loan account in the TimelyBills app. It's very easy. Let's get started. First, go to the navigation bar and tap on the Accounts tab. Now, you'll see plus icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. You now have two options. You can sync your loan account or add it manually. If you want to add it manually, select Add Manual Account. In this video, we will walk you through how to add a manual account. If you want to sync your bank accounts automatically, you can watch this step-by-step guide or visit our support page for more details. On this screen, scroll through the list to find Loan Account, then select it and tap Next. This will take you to the Loan Details form, where you'll need to enter specific information about your loan account. First, choose the type of loan, like auto loan. Next, select the bank from which you took the loan. Enter the account name, for example, car loan account. Then, type in the account number. Choose your currency. The app will show your default currency, but you can change it if needed. Now, select the loan start date, then enter the loan amount and the current outstanding balance. If you want to include this account's balance in your overall net worth, turn on the Include Balance option. And if you are using the Family Group feature, you can share this account with your family as well. Now, tap Next. Now, you need to fill in some basic loan details. Enter the interest rate. Select the loan duration. Then, select the compounding frequency, and payment due date according to your loan terms. Now, tap Next. Now, the app will display your entire loan payment schedule, showing each recurring payment till the end of the loan term. Review the details carefully and then tap Next. Now, you'll see the review screen, where all your entered details will be displayed. If everything looks correct, tap Create. Congratulations! Your loan account has been successfully added. Now, you can easily track your loan and make timely payments. If you found this video helpful, like and share it. For more useful tips, keep using the TimelyBills app. Thank you.